welcome. Today's video, I'm really shocked to actually get to film this because I don't feel like I ever get my Ipsy as early, or my Ipsy Plus this early. So anyways, that's what today's video is all about. And I know what you're probably thinking, Rhonda, wait, isn't this a video you film with Haley? Yes, it is. However, I am going to go ahead, unbox this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for you guys for August 2020. And then as soon as her items come in and my other bag, we will be going head to head with those. So make sure to stick around, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, because like I said, Haley and I will be coming back doing Ipsy versus Ipsy Glam Bag Plus Mother versus Daughter edition, and then regular Ipsy Glam Bag edition. So stay tuned for that. So before we jump in to information and unboxing or unbagging of the Ipsy Glam Bag for August 2020, quick little disclaimer, guys. If you guys are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we embrace the hot mess. We run on a ton of caffeine, and it's a judgment-free, drama-free, and stress-free zone for hopefully I'll learn how to speak and you will decide to stick around and subscribe. So let's go ahead and jump into a little information regarding the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Okay, so a little information regarding the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is a monthly subscription service. I'm holding it like this because I have cleaned it off, but like I like hose everything down with bleach because I'm not trying to get the Rona, guys. I don't know how y'all are when it comes to your packages, but yes, your girl like goes ham. But anyways, this is a $25 plus tax a month subscription. Now, the Ipsy August bag is the first where you get to customize 3 out of like the 5 items, which I'm pretty excited about. If you guys have watched our prior unbaggings or unboxings with Ipsy, I have been quite annoyed as far as that goes because I feel like it's just not been anything I'm interested in. Now, the other 2 items, or 3 items, 2 to 3 items that you will receive are customized based off of your profile. Now, I will tell you guys, as far as my profile goes, I used to put my real age of 42 on there, but I found that I just wasn't getting really good products, so I fibbed and I put it that I'm like mid-20s. Everything else is towards like everything on me. I think I picked this item. You guys always tell me, Rhonda, go to your Ipsy app. I'm gonna do that, guys. I'm gonna listen to you guys. I'm pulling it up right now because you guys and Haley have told me if you go into your Ipsy app, it will literally tell you what your add-ons were. And oh my gosh, can you just get to my doohickey? It'll tell you what your add-ons were and what you chose, all of that. Okay, so let's see here. Cool, I like this. It actually tells me everything that I picked. Like I said, as far as Ipsy goes for the Glam Bag Plus, they did change it so you can customize 3 of your items versus before where it was just 1. And I liked it because they give you like a good variety of items to choose from, and you obviously got to pick your favorite. The first item that I did choose is a palette, and this is by Estate. It's the collab with Bailey Syrian. And if you guys don't watch her YouTube channel, you definitely should. Holy guacamole, these are huge. Look how beautiful. Honestly, you guys, I thought that this palette was going to be much smaller size pans. I have to swatch especially this purple. Ooh, she pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so as I've started to tell you guys, make sure you are following me over on Instagram because I plan on popping up more and more looks with palettes that I am receiving in here, as well as I do Get Ready With Me, typically Sunday nights at 9 p.m. if you guys are interested in seeing me try out new makeup, old makeup, favorite makeup, whatever it may be. These shimmers are gorgeous. I am loving the whole jewel tone type of looks and palettes. I love that. Just like the unboxing I did for you guys, I think it was like 2 days ago with the Ciate London palette. I love that there are some neutrals in here, as well as you could do pops of colors, and you don't have to go like crazy colorful. You could just really add like really pretty little delicate pops of shimmer or glitter or what have you. So there's not really glitter. I want to try this. Ooh, what is that? That is pretty. Let's swatch this one too. Ooh, it's kind of like a shifty Shifty color. I love shifty colors. Okay. Anywho, I digress. A little information, let's see, about this. Let's see if there is a card in here. I do not, oh, I do see a card. Let's see if they, okay. So once again, they're not really telling you much about the product. So since I've got it pulled up on my app, it just says that this does have a retail value of $30. So I'm super excited to try this out. Like I said, follow me over on Instagram for tutorials on some items that I receive in our subscription. Moving right along, the next item is by Murad. Hold on guys, I gotta wash my hands off or wipe them down because I'm getting stuff everywhere. This is by Murad, and this is the Perfecting Day Cream SPF 30. Let's see if I picked this out. Okay, this was something that was curated off or based off of my profile. I'm not mad about it. You guys know I always tell you guys vitamin C, retinol, sunscreen, best anti-aging fighters around. If you are trying to up your regimen, your anti-aging regimen, whatever you want to call it, sunscreen, super important. Number one thing I would definitely, one of the number one things I would recommend. So as far as the retail value of this product goes, we are looking at, ooh, $58. Wow. Okay, Ipsy, $25 plus tax. You're shocking me. Okay, moving on to the next item in well. Am I shocked? Yes, I am. Okay, so this is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte in the shade Day Slayer. Again, full size product. This was something, again, that was picked for me based off of my profile, and it does have a retail value of $20. Now, as far as this one says, it's a demi matte, so it does say it has infused with a hint of menthol to give your lips a temporary tingling effect, leaving them visibly plumper. Just because the cream lipstick dries down matte, it doesn't mean it is drying. The water-rich formula offers up intense hydration so your lips never feel chapped or uncomfortable. I like that. And you guys, typically if you guys have been here for a while, I never get Huda products unless I pay for them as an add-on or something. Typically this is the stuff I see in HAILEY'S bio. Okay, so the next item, this was one that I know I picked. I do remember picking this one. This is a Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. Now, you guys know I liked the coconut powder from Ciate London. I have on today the Ciate London eyeshadow palette that we actually saw in the BoxyCharm Premium box. And then there is a highlighter by Ciate London I use all the time. So I'm excited to grow my Ciate London collection. So this is the up close of the powder. It's just like a, I guess, oh, it feels weird. Is there a scent? My sniffer doesn't work that well. Ooh, it's like a microfine. If there is a scent, it is a very, very itty bitty teeny tiny little scent of this. Kind of like how the coconut powder was. Very, very softly scented. Okay, yeah, there is. Sorry, there's a lot of kids in the house, so if you hear ruckus, that is why. So I want to read a little information about this. It does have a retail value of $28. It says light reflecting pigments give the sheer translucent powder a hint of shimmer as soon as you brush it on. Your skin will be left with a gorgeous, healthy glow. Okay, let's use some of it. I'm just going to go in with my BK Beauty 104 brush. Let's see what it does. Oh, that's pretty. And I did not get a gray cast that I can see, at least. Oh. Wow, I feel like this is what I expected. It kind of gave you like I wouldn't say like a super radiant glow, like from what I'm seeing here in this mirror, but it's like a matte with like a smidge of healthiness. You know what I mean? I don't know. This is what I expected that Hourglass powder I got, which I don't even know where I put it. Oh, it's over here. This is kind of what I expected the Hourglass powder to do, where it kind of takes away that shine but still leaves your skin looking fresh and pretty. And the thing with the Hourglass one is I got a really bad gray cast. So like I said, this has a retail value of $28. I'm excited about this. I am loving Ciate London. Okay, and the last item in my bag, I do believe this is one that I did choose. This again is by Ciate London, and this is the Triple Shot XXL Mascara in black. Now, I do have a lot of mascaras open right now, but I already know that I really enjoy Ciate London's mascara. Do I have one open? Yes. I really like the Ciate London Wonder Wand mascara, so I'm assuming I'm going to like this as well. I'm not going to open it, like I said, because I don't want it to go bad because I have so many other ones open. It does have a 6-month shelf life from the time you open it up, so I will be holding on to that and putting it in backup. This does have a retail value of $22. So as far as the grand total of everything in this $25 plus tax bag, it did come to $158 even. Now I have to say, guys, by the way, it did come in a larger little drawstring bag, so I do like that. I have to say I'm really excited about this. You guys know that Ipsy had really frustrated me the past few months, like many months. I'm like, what are you guys doing? Because this is hideous, this is horrible. And I literally have been going back and forth about canceling my subscription. But I definitely love the fact that we are now customizing with 3 out of the 5 products. I love, obviously, the things that I did customize. I did think that the options that they gave me to customize my bag were definitely ones that were geared towards me, that I like, that I enjoyed, and I'm really excited about this bag. I'm excited to see what Hailey got. I think there might be one item that we chose similar, but I'm not 100% because we love to go head to head. So I'm excited to see what is in Hailey's bag, what other 2 items Ipsy decided to put into hers, and to see who came out with the better bag for the August 2020 month. So anyways, guys, let me know you guys' thoughts down below. Do you feel like Ipsy stepped it up? Because you guys know I have been hating hard on Ipsy. Like I said, darn near ready to cancel my subscription, but I was holding on to it, holding out hope, like I tend to do with subscription boxes. I don't know why I do that. I probably should have let them go a long time ago, but I'm like, no, you guys have done it. You've had really good months. You guys can do this. You're gonna pull through. And I think they did redeem themselves, guys. So I feel like September and October are gonna be some telling months. So let me know down below. Also, if you guys are curious and you're wanting to know, like, how did you get to pick these things? I have the app because Hailey told me about the Ipsy app, and on, I think it was the 1st of the month, you could go into your app. Now sometimes you get like email notifications. It's like, hey, go pick your choices and etc. But if you do not get that email, because there have been months that I have not gotten that email, Hailey has told me, she's like, if you don't see the email, Mom, just go right into your account. So you go into your account, you click Glam Bag Plus, you click your glam bag, whatever it may be, and you can make your choices. Now, as far as the Ipsy Glam Bag goes, I don't remember if you pick 3 items for, if you get to pick 3 items for that. Don't think you do, but I don't know. Anyhow, like I said, Hailey and I will be coming back. We'll be putting our bags head to head. We received both the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and the regular Ipsy, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully that'll be coming soon. Hers sometimes come later, just like mine do, or vice versa. So anyways, guys, don't forget there's still a giveaway for the Alter Ego Artemis palette. I will leave that down in the description box below, as well as in the comment section. If you are interested in signing up for Ipsy, I do have a referral link that I will have in my description box for you guys if you're interested in that. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.